Today, we are unboxing the Eufy Security HomeBase S380, also known as HomeBase 3. While I unbox it, let's go over the key benefits of this device. Why would you buy it? 1. No monthly fees. 2. Larger storage than an SD card. 3. BionicMind AI-powered security. 4. Continuous recording with encryption at rest. 5. Acts as a Eufy Security hub. 6. Works with Alexa for smart home integration. HomeBase 3 is an Eufy Edge Security Center, which processes video footage locally using AI analysis. It features expandable local storage up to 16 terabytes using a 2.5-inch hard drive and serves as a Wi-Fi hub for up to 4 Eufy cameras. One of its biggest advantages is that there are no subscription fees. You can store videos locally instead of paying for cloud storage. Unlike SD cards, which are limited to 128 GB on most Eufy cameras, HomeBase 3 offers much larger storage capacity. BionicMind AI provides smart facial recognition. This AI-powered feature offers 99.9% accurate facial recognition, helping you distinguish between family members, strangers, and pets. Event filtering, allowing you to categorize recordings by person, object, or category, reducing unnecessary alerts. Continuous recording is only available when HomeBase 3 is used as storage. This feature is not supported with SD cards, Eufy Cloud Storage, or NAS storage. It ensures no gaps in recording, even if an event isn't detected as motion or is too short to trigger a normal event recording. All recorded data is encrypted at rest, ensuring your footage remains private and secure. HomeBase 3 acts as a Eufy Security hub. It connects and manages multiple Eufy security devices, including Eufy doorbells, door sensors, motion sensors, cameras. It also integrates with the Eufy Security app and can optionally connect to Eufy's alarm monitoring service. HomeBase 3 integrates with Alexa routines, allowing for automation such as announcing motion detection on Echo devices, turning on smart lights when motion is detected, triggering other smart home actions based on camera activity. For example, I have Alexa announce whenever motion is detected.
Eufy garage camera detect motion.
Hardware setup. The unit does not come with a hard drive. A 2.5-inch SATA HDD or SSD is required for storage. To install the hard drive: 1. Remove the cover plate. 2. Unscrew the HDD slot. 3. Insert a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive into the slot. 4. Secure it and insert the tray back into the HomeBase unit. Software setup. 1. Connect the network cable and power cable to the HomeBase unit. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. 3. Open the Eufy Security app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. 4. Select HomeBase as the device category. 5. Choose HomeBase S380. 6. Select a location to assign it to. 7. Connect HomeBase to your network using the LAN port. 8. Power it on. 9. Ensure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the HomeBase. 10. Follow the in-app instructions.
Follow the instructions in the Eufy Security app to set up the system.
11. Once set up, you can add compatible Eufy devices to HomeBase 3. 12. The pairing process takes about a minute to complete. 13. Choose between event-based recording or continuous recording. 14. Format the hard drive for first-time use. 15. Confirm that the device has successfully joined HomeBase 3. 16. Adjust any settings or preferences in the app. 17. HomeBase 3 can also connect to Wi-Fi instead of using Ethernet. HomeBase 3 is an excellent subscription-free security hub that expands your Eufy system. With local storage, AI-enhanced security, and smart home integrations,